What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a portable Wi-Fi hotspot from EOT Club and T-Mobile. I guess this is a crossover, but you get a trial 1 GB plan. This is excellent for those who travel and don't want to use up all their data, like their hotspot data on their mobile plan. This portable Wi-Fi hotspot is here for you. This is the M47 model for the US. You can connect it via Wi-Fi or you can plug it in via USB. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at how this bad boy looks. So you get the portable Wi-Fi player here. It is Wi-Fi 6, 3000 milliamp hour battery. You do have this like almost matted white material, which looks pretty nice actually. Type C right there to charge. You do have a power button, a link button, and I don't know what else is in there. It does have a display right there, a digital display. So let's go ahead and see what else is included. You do have the quick start guide here. So the button right here, this is the select WPS key button, and the top one is the power and confirm key there. What else is included? The battery. Wow, so this comes with a removable battery and a charging cable, USB to Type C, USB-A to Type C, removable battery, 3000 milliamps. That's absolutely crazy. You just remove the top like so. You do have a SIM card in there. Place this bad boy in here. And let's go ahead and power it. Or probably, oh, there it goes. So some quick specs on this. This runs on the AT&T and T-Mobile network, and they do have various plans here. So once your trial has expired, what you want to do is turn around the back of the device and scan this QR code. And once you scan it, this is going to allow you to choose another rate plan to refill with data. You can log in there, but we're not going to do that right now. So then you have 24 gigs for 360 days for $100. That is absolutely fantastic. That's a whole year right there. 225 gigabytes for 30 days for $32.50. 100 gigabytes for 30 days for $80. 50 gigabytes for 30 days for $60. 15 gigabytes for 30 days for $20, 5 gigabytes for 30 days for $15, and 1 gigabyte for 7 days for $5. So if you want to just do something relatively simple, you don't think you're going to go over a gig, $5 is bad. But honestly, 24 gigabytes, 360 days, it's absolutely amazing, dude. This is a whole year there, and then you're going to go ahead and put in your financial information and prepaid and get it. AT&T and T-Mobile network, so you know you're going to be covered wherever you go. Absolutely fantastic. In my opinion, the 24 gigabyte plan for 360 days is absolutely amazing and relatively priced well for just $100 a year, and is priced relatively competitive, which this is good for, like, if you guys do GameChanger with softball and baseball and don't want to tether or use your hotspot on your phone. This is a perfect companion to that, because you can go ahead and just use that instead of using up all your data on your phone. And it does support high speeds. Very, very nice competitive device. As you can see, the little digital display there, it have no service right now because I have to go ahead and activate it. The way you do it is you scan the code back here and you choose the plan you want, and then you go ahead and connect. Right now is on the AT&T network. If you want to connect to that or T-Mobile network, you most definitely can. So you get to choose what network, or I guess it bounces back and forth. My understanding, you don't get to choose what network. It bounces off of AT&T and T-Mobile, whichever gives you the stronger signal. So I'm currently connected to the portable Wi-Fi player right there. As you can see, EOT Club A39A connected. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a speed test real quick. So those are the speeds that I'm currently pulling here in my house. Now let me preface that I don't get good AT&T service here, and as you can see, I'm on 4G and not 5G, but relatively good. It tells you that you have one device connected right there, AT&T connected, and then it gives you the Wi-Fi name and your key to log in, your password basically. But very good looking portable hotspot. It's a portable Wi-Fi, perfect for those who doing business, perfect for those parents who run GameChanger for their sports. 3000 milliamp hour battery. You can just recharge it via Type-C there. A link to this will be in the description of the video if you feel like something like this is suited for you. You travel a lot, you're a sports parent, you use GameChanger, don't want to use up all your data on your personal line, go ahead and subscribe to a hotspot plan here. You can do a daily, monthly, weekly, just perfect for those situations. This EOT Club M47 portable Wi-Fi hotspot device is absolutely amazing. If you have any questions regarding this, please leave it down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.